Good morning, students. So let's continue with this types of thermometer. Okay. So mainly there are two types of thermometer. Mainly, okay. Otherwise, other thermometer also there, but here mainly two types of thermometers. That is, one it is clinical thermometer, and another one is the laboratory thermometer. Okay, so one more is also there, actually, that is maximum minimum thermometer. Okay, maximum minimum thermometer. See here, this clinical thermometer, it is used to measure the body temperature of a human being. Okay, not the objects, only it is for the temperature of the human being. And this laboratory thermometer, it is used to measure the temperature of the substances or the objects. Now here, this maximum minimum temperature thermometer, it is used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature of a day. Okay, for a day, what will be the maximum temperature and what will be the minimum temperature? That means to measure the weather. Okay, that only temperature of the day. That is okay. Now see, let's explain about the clinical thermometer. Okay. So this clinical thermometer actually mostly used by the doctors and nurses, and even we can also keep at our home at night also. If it is by emergency, if anybody got a temperature rises, then we can measure it with our clinical thermometer. Okay, that we are usually keeping at home, so that we can, according to that, we can give the medicines, whether we are having fever or not, we can come to know. Okay, so this clinical thermometer, actually it looks like a narrow glass tube. Okay, narrow glass tube. Okay, like this glass tube. Okay, and here this is actually the bulb. Okay, this is the glass tube, and here inside, if you see, you can see here actually the one thread, like a small thin thread like a glass tube also goes. Okay, then here what it is present, keeping that mercury. Okay, mercury keep inside, because mercury, when the heat rises, it expand. Otherwise it used to keep here. When if you are keeping on the body, then if the temperature rises, it automatically rises. Okay, so it expand. Okay, and here in this clinical thermometer, there is a particular thing is there. Here just after this place, there will be a short cut. Okay, narrow place it is there. This is actually known as king. What it is? King. This you can see in the clinical thermometer only. Okay, why it is keeping here? What is the benefit of this? Actually, this thermometer, this it goes, right, it rises up. What? Mercury. So once if we are keeping the person's body and measuring that, it rises up, and then we have to measure it, right, the temperature. So for that, if it helps the mercury thread. This is known as what it is, the mercury thread. Okay, this mercury thread, it will not allow the mercury thread to fall down below this. Okay, so that what happens, they can measure it properly. Otherwise, if there is no king, what happens? Before taking the measurement, when we take out, it comes down. So it no use at all. For that, this king works. It is very helpful. Okay, because of this only, this mercury thread does not fall down. Okay. Now see here, this reading, actually you can see from both the sides. Okay, one side it is Fahrenheit and one side it is degree Celsius. In both the scale it is mentioned. It is used to mention, so that we can, if we want to take the measurement in degree Celsius, we can take, otherwise we can take it in Fahrenheit. Okay, so here in this actually this Fahrenheit comes here. Okay, so it is comes like this. That is actually from 95. Okay, 95, and see here one. Okay, one division, then second division, third division, fourth division, again fifth division. In the scale, if we are taking, what we will say? We will say that it will be the 0.5, right? But here in the thermometer, each small division from here to here, that means this 2. So this much is, it is counted as 0.2. Okay, 0.2 it will be counted. So for 1 degree that temperature, how many small divisions will be there? That means 0.2, then again 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits should be there. Then each 5 digits counted as 0.2. So 0.2 into 5. So what it will be? It will be 10, right? So that is 10, that means 1 divisions it will be. So here if it is 95, then it will be comes here 96. Okay, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it will counted as 97. Okay, in this way it will go on. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, again 5, so it is 98, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 99. This way it goes. Okay, and here when it reaches here, what is the normal human body temperature? 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So 6 where it will come? Here it is 98. Now see 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. So 98.6 it reaches here. So the mercury level comes up to here. It is considered as the normal body temperature only. Okay, then if it is rises more than this, then we will calculate as that we will say that having fever. Okay, understood? So it is going like this, and here down portion, that it is in degree Celsius. Okay, it comes from 35 degree Celsius. 35 degree Celsius. Then when it reaches here, then up to here, the last reading, it will be 42 degrees Celsius. That means 35 to 42 degrees Celsius only the normal range. Okay, so if you are saying about the Fahrenheit, what will be the normal range? That is up to the 112. Okay, that will be the normal. That means the range you can see there. Okay, now see, this is the structure of the thermometer, clinical thermometer. Now how we will measure it? Actually for measuring it, we have to see first this one, see the mercury level. Okay, this mercury thread, we have to see whether it is in the below the normal. This is the normal body temperature. It should come below the normal body temperature. Then only they can use it for another person. If it not comes, what we have to just rotate and see the reading. Okay, and then when we are keeping it also, see that if it is not coming, then what we have to do? We have to just do the jerk. So if it is jerking, what happens? This mercury level comes down. Okay, then it comes down. Then afterwards, what we have to? We have to just wash it and then wipe it. Okay, then again we can use it for another person. That when for this, it is using where we are keeping it to measure the body temperature under the tongue as well as the armpit. Okay, see these places, actually the temperature, they will get the proper temperature. Okay, so that keeping on that places. And when we are putting inside the mouth also, see very carefully it should be to take care of that mouth. When we are after keeping this from the mouth, right, under the tongue, then when we come bring it out to measure the temperature, that time should not hold on the bulb place. Okay, this place we should not touch. If we are touching on this place and seeing the reading, then it will vary, because our body temperature also will goes here, because it is mercury level comes here na, so it the heat, so because of our heat also goes here, then it will increase. So we should not hold our hand on this place. On this place only we have to hold and see. Okay, that one understood. Now see, the next one is laboratory thermometer. Okay, the next thermometer is the laboratory thermometer. The laboratory thermometer is also the same way, but it is actually, when we look by the size, if we are seeing, the laboratory thermometer is longer than the clinical thermometer. Okay. Here it is longer than the, this is also the same way only. Okay, glass narrow tube only here, and then it looks, it is longer. Okay, and here ends like this, and then you can see it like this. Okay, portion, and here it actually, here also the mercury thread goes. Okay, and the this here, there you can't see the king over here, it will not have the king. Okay, this is the mercury. Okay, here, and this is the glass tube, and then from here it measures. The same way here also, one division means it is a 0.2. Okay, so 3, 4, 5 again come. So here it is first one minus 10 degree it starts. Okay, minus 10 degrees Celsius to here, when it comes, what happens? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth one means it is 10 digits. So it will be 0. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it will come 10 degree. So here minus 10, here it is 10. In this way it will reach up to up to 110. Okay, 110 it will lose. So what is the range here? The range of this thermometer minus 10 degree to 110 degree Celsius. Okay, and it is actually used to measure the temperature of the object. How we can measure it? This one, actually for this take a jar. Okay, take a jar, glass jar. Okay, take a glass jar, okay. In this, then we have to take the hot water. Okay, here what we have to take it is the glass jar, then take hot water here. Okay, then how we will, then we have to insert a clinical this thermometer. Which one? Laboratory thermometer. Okay, we have to keep the laboratory thermometer here, but see, be careful, this laboratory thermometer, this thermometer should not touch the base. Okay, base of the, this is the base, it should not touch on the base of the jar. Okay, so up to here only, then you can see the reading. Where after few seconds, just to see the reading. So this mercury level will increase, go on increase. Okay, go on increase. Then after some time, again what you have to do, take out this thermometer. Okay, this laboratory thermometer, take it out. Then you just observe it. What happens? This temperature level, it comes down, because outside the temperature is less. But here it was hot water, so the temperature rises up. Understood? This way only the laboratory thermometer using. Okay, and now see that what are the liquids used in thermometer. Okay, the liquids mainly two liquids used. Okay, that is ethanol, or we can say that is the ethyl alcohol, ethanol or ethyl alcohol, or we can say this is the alcohol. Okay, alcohol. Okay, that one using, and another one is the mercury. Okay, and see here both of them why they are using, because it's a there will be the ranges, okay, between the boiling point and the freezing point. Okay, the ethanol actually the ethanol's boiling freezing point, it is, we can say it is minus 114 degree. Okay, it is 114 degree, and that boiling point is 78 degree. This is the boiling point. Okay, this is the freezing point. FP means freezing point. And here for the mercury, what it will be, it is actually the 39 FP freezing point, it is 39 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point is 357 degree. Okay, so see, this is the boiling point and this is the freezing point. So both of the, if it is ours, normally the freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius, right? So but it is 39 degrees Celsius, so we can, it will not goes in an ice form, okay, frozen form. So it is in the liquid form, we can take the measurement at any time. That is the benefit. And see why this mercury, what is the advantages of mercury is using in thermometer than the ethanol? Because see the variation also here, it is more, right? That means the difference between this and this, freezing and boiling point, there is much variation, so that can take the measurement properly. And not only that, mercury, it is a good conductor of heat. Okay, good conductor of heat. And second one, it is actually it's a visibility, okay, very clear to see. Yeah, through the glass tube we can see that it, because it is a shiny silvery liquid, so it is very easily we can see this one. Okay, mercury thread, that is also there. Then if we are saying what else is it is, it does not wet the glass. It means it is inside the glass tube only, but it will not stick on the glass tube. So it can simply, whether if the temperature rises, it can move up. If the temperature low, then it can comes down. So if it is stick there, then it will not come properly. Okay, these are the advantages. Okay children, so you understood about today's topic, the different types. Already I said about one more thermometer is there, that is the maximum minimum thermometer. Okay, and earlier also some children asked that only Celsius thermometer we are using, this laboratory thermometer also called as a Celsius thermometer. Okay, and this clinical thermometer that we are using, so one it is a digital one and another one is the normal one. Okay, so that in the normal one, it is that means we have to see the mercury thread and find out the temperature. And then in the digital one, those who are not able to see this one, they can easily measure through by seeing the digits itself. It automatically shows there. And nowadays one more thermometer is there. Now in this COVID-19 season, whenever, wherever we are going, some places, they used to check our thermometer temperature, right? Say they used to keep at a distance from us by switch on that itself and showing in front of you in a distance itself, it shows the temperature. That is also a new kind of thermometer. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.